honor of hosting our 2026 Career Quest CTE Expo for our middle school students. All 8th grade students were invited to participate, as well as our 7th grade students in CTE courses at all of our 8 middle schools at La Joya ISD. As part of our strategic priority, Empowered Graduates, we're offering the opportunity for our students to get some hands-on training and experience alongside with our current high school students. That way they are getting more information about the programs, getting that question and answer session to ask questions about what the programs entail, the types of certifications that they will receive. And in addition, we've also invited our partners from our Institute of Higher Education that follow along with the dual credit opportunities and the level 1 and level 2 certifications that they can receive upon their high school pathway. We're also extremely honored to have our regional partner Gear Up program that is going to be working with our current 7th grade students. They're also invited to be here at this Career Quest Expo. We also have individuals and partners from our community that are also here. Let them know about the types of opportunities, the types of jobs, the skills that they'll need to get them prepared. We are wanting our students to be motivated and just learn more about the courses that we have available for our students at La Joya ISD and make the proper choices to get them college, career, and military ready.
Hi La Joya, we are so excited to bring Gear Up to your campuses. We are looking for all of our middle school 7th grade students to sign up and get ready for the next 7 years. We're going to be exposing you to all your college and career options. We're going to be looking at scholarships, TSI, getting you ready for testing, but it all starts here. We are so excited to be able to be part of this amazing expo. La Joya ISD has so many opportunities for their kids, and going into high school is going to open up so many doors. It is really excited to see everything that's here, all the options, all the hands-on, and we are so excited to meet you.
We want our students to know what their careers are going to be. We give them the opportunity to do hands-on experiences with all of our programs of study. In this area, we have our law enforcement, we have our health science, we have our engineering programs. Our students are doing hands-on activities, talking to students that are currently in high school, so that they can truly understand what career opportunities they have for them in the future. The benefits for our students is to not only get hands-on experiences, but also to talk to our students that are currently in the programs. Long term, we want to ensure that these students take 4 courses at the high school level, get certified, and have an opportunity with real hands-on experiences for the real world.
We're very thankful for this opportunity that we have today to have our students part of our experience with our Career Quest 2026 so that our students are exposed to everything that La Joya has to make them empowered graduates.
Thank you, La Joya ISD, for providing the opportunity for all of our students to experience, to engage, and to elaborate with hands-on activities for the future.